How to see your top artists on Spotify. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to find and display your recently played artists on your Spotify profile. First, open the Spotify app and tap on your profile picture in the top left corner. Next, select View Profile. Here you'll see your playlists, followers, and following information. Now, go back and open Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Privacy and Social. Under the Listening Activity section, make sure Recently Played Artists is turned on. If it's disabled, simply enable it. Once you've done that, go back to your profile and tap View Profile again. Scroll down and you'll be able to see your recently played artists displayed on your profile. Keep in mind that enabling this feature also allows other Spotify users to see the artists you've recently listened to. And that's how to see your top artists on Spotify. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Spotify tips, Spotify tutorials, and music streaming guides.